All right, here we go. Another project. Hopefully I can do this project really fast. The sun is going down. It is setting fast. This is a problem that I had for the past 11 years. Literally 11 years. This is gonna fix all my problems. Let me show you what the problem is that I've been having for the past 11 years. Okay, here we go. Manual transmission. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but clutch pedal, right? You have no idea how irritating it is to try to drive all day, all night with the damn clutch pedal squeaking, driving you retarded. Can I use that word? Driving you insane. Can I use that word too? I don't know. Anyway, it's irritating the hell out of me. But like I said, I do have this. This is from yodashop.com. Someplace in Woodland, Washington. I don't know. Let me open this up and see what I have. Ooh, I sliced the bag open. Anyway, this is one of the kits from yodashop.com. That's it. So this is what I have. I'm pretty sure that the housing on the clutch pedal is kind of worn out, but the spring must also be worn out, also creating an indentation somewhere within the whole assembly system. This is a factory Toyota part. Spring tension. What is this? This is some kind of, this is one of the internal bushings. I'm gonna grease that up. These go on the ends of the spring, and this is that one black bushing for the spring itself. So this little black bushing is gonna seat onto the spring. And like I said, this is from yodashop.com. Yeah, from those guys. Okay, super easy. Sun is going down. All I need to do is take off 2 bolts there. Then I need to come underneath here. Look at the spring, someplace up here. I don't know. Okay, where are we? Someplace back here. There's a little clip. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little clip that needs to be pulled back there somewhere. Darn, I can't get to it. I can't see it. All right, there it is, right there. That guy, right there. I just need to pull that out with my little pliers, and then there's a 10mm nut way up here on the very top. I can't see it, but anyway, it's up there. All right. Let me just pull that pin, unscrew that 10mm nut. I'll bring the whole clutch assembly out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, the clutch assembly out. Let me go into the light and show you guys what I see. Alright, hopefully the lighting is well enough to see. And this thing is really messed up. So, the first thing I noticed from the spring assembly, this guy right here, there used to be a bushing here on both sides. This one's pretty wasted. That one's torn to shreds. The black one in the middle is supposed to be there, but it is gone. And probably the ones in the middle here are gone also. This thing is messed up. Let me put this in the vise real quick, and hopefully we can get this project going really quick. So let me throw this in the vise and I'll be right back. Because of the time constraint, I'm just gonna film things. You guys can check it out. Super easy. Not a how-to, more of a this is what I did, because my clutch was squeaking the hell out of everything. The first thing I think I'll do is take off tension from the spring before this thing explodes in my face. That was easy. I just need to make note of which way or what direction this thing is going. Next, I'll take off the bolt that's holding the whole assembly together, the pedal assembly. Ooh. Okay, something just fell out. So this is what fell out. This is the, I guess the center support bearing, whatever. This is that little, I don't know what that is. Some kind of Teflon thing. I guess it's considered a bushing. But this is the one that needs to be changed. And this whole thing rides in here. So let me get this all cleaned up real quick and reassemble everything. One more thing, now is the perfect time to replace all these little nubs that keep breaking and causing your clutch pedal not to engage, causing your brake light to stay on. It just disintegrated, literally. Alright, I'm gonna grab one of these guys, just stick it in. Before I assemble everything, I just want to show you guys how badly degraded these bushings are. I'm not sure if you can see, but oh my god. This is what's left of the bushing that was on the spring. This is what was left of the bushing that's supposed to be on the side. Jeez. Wow. Okay, well, I do have a new spring. This spring is distorted, it's concaved, it's pretty messed up. Here's the new one from Toyota. So this is the new one from Toyota. I'm just going to put some grease on the ends of these things. This is all cleaned up. We're going to put some grease together, reassemble everything real quick. This is from yodashop.com. Now the spring can go back in. Wait, I should put the pedal in first. And these are the other bushings that need to go in there. While I'm assembling everything, I noticed how badly worn the pedal is. I should have bought a new one, but too bad. So I'm not sure how well you can see it, but this right there, this is supposed to be a nice little oval section, but there's about a maybe 3/16 of an inch that's actually grinded down from all the wear and tear of metal on metal. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. The new bushing looks like this. I'm just going to put the new bushing in, and I'm going to grease the hell out of this thing. I'm hoping that greasing it will actually kind of help. I don't know, we'll see. Put some grease in here. Now it's just time to put that spring back in and see if it works. Well, that was pretty easy. Super easy. Like I said, just put this back into the car, screw in the two nuts that hold on the clutch master. That should be it. So let me do that really quick off camera. There's no sense in boring you guys on how to put one screw in and two screws back in. Super easy. Let me just throw this in and I'll be right back. Oh well, the sun went down. It is nighttime. Let me finish this up. I'll see you guys in the morning and hopefully I can see what I'm doing. So I'll be back in the morning. All right, everything is back in. Super easy. Two screws to hold in the clutch master, one screw to hold in the bracket assembly underneath. That's it. Test drive. Nothing. Okay, so that is it. The clutch is perfect. This was not a how-to video, but more of a video that says, hey, if you have a squeaky clutch, a manual transmission, this is probably one of the reasons why. Really easy. And this is also to let you guys know that you can find all these parts at yodashop.com. All right, it's Sunday. I need to get out of here. I'm tired. Thanks to everybody for sticking around for this super fast project again. Still a ton more things to come. I need to start getting on the 34 with the suspension and a million more things. All right, everybody, I'll see you guys again on my next project.